In the quiet heart of Greenwood, Nebraska, under the Whitewater Tower, stands a building that's been a part of this community for over a century. Once it was a schoolhouse filled with laughter and learning. Now it's being reborn as a place where hearts are healed, people are restored, and the presence of God dwells. This is the Greenwood Ministry and Retreat Center, home to One Whole Heart Ministry and Valor Christian Academy, a place where lives are changed, one heart at a time. In 2016, Bill and Lucille Sapp of Ashland, Nebraska, generously donated this old school building to One Whole Heart and Valor. Since then, it's been a work in progress, a true labor of love. Over the years, many hands have given their time, skill, and prayers to restore it. New HVAC, plumbing, and flooring were installed in the early years. In 2019, 2 beautiful new bathrooms were added upstairs. Each phase has prepared this building for a greater purpose: to host missionaries, retreats, and gatherings where the Lord's presence transforms lives. In this most recent season, another $150,000 has gone into restoration. A brand new roof was added, siding replaced, windows repaired, every corner of the second residence and the upper level refreshed with new paint, flooring, and furnishings. It's been a beautiful transformation, a picture of what God does in each of us when we yield to His restoring hand. Now, as we look ahead, we believe the Lord is inviting us into the next phase of preparation. One of the first priorities is creating a dedicated entrance for the retreat center on the second level. Right now, we lovingly call it the doorway to heaven, but what's truly needed is a beautiful deck and staircase to usher guests in safely, along with a replacement fire escape on the north side of the building. The main level is next in line for transformation. An investment of $25,000 will cover new HVAC, flooring, ceiling repair, and lighting. This will allow us to open a warm and welcoming coffee and gift shop, a space not only for our guests, but also for the broader Greenwood community to gather and connect, as well as to continue to sell the hundreds of Kingdom collectibles we received with the building donation in 2016. Then we plan to renovate the main and lower level bathrooms and showers, estimated at $50,000. These upgrades will serve both retreat guests and event attendees who come to use the building. In the gymnasium, we see tremendous potential from the historic and good bones that are here. A future event center for weddings, banquets, worship gatherings, and conferences. To make this vision possible, the HVAC, egress needs, and ceiling repairs will need to be addressed. And last, but certainly not least, we must strengthen the foundation of the building, ensuring that this house stands firm and secure for generations to come. Altogether, we are believing God for $200,000 to complete these stages of restoration, each phase preparing the building to serve as both a safe haven for the future and a vibrant retreat and event center for the present. This isn't just a renovation project, it's preparation for purpose. The Greenwood building is being made ready as a safe haven, a place where people can come when the storms of the world grow stronger, a place of worship, a place of rest, a place of refuge. Here, the love and power of Jesus meets the deepest needs of His people. Already, many have received healing and freedom through One Whole Heart Ministry. For 15 years, everything has been offered freely, without charge, because the gospel is freely given. Whether you give $10, $25, or $10,000, every gift matters. Every nail, every coat of paint, every dollar builds a refuge for the Lord's people. Together, we can finish what He started. Together, we can prepare a dwelling place for His glory. Visit thegreenwoodretreatcenter.com to learn more, make your own reservation for the retreat center, and give today. Thank you for your prayers, your generosity, and your faithfulness to be a part of God's story here in Nebraska and across the nations. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and may His presence fill this house of peace for generations to come.